Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to manually save Assassin's Creed Shadows. So it's very simple, okay, if you want to save the game, right? Now I'm in the task of climb the tower, okay? So you need to press this options button on your controller, okay? You might be playing on Xbox or PlayStation 5 or, okay, you might be playing on Xbox or PlayStation 5. So here you can see this option save, okay? You need to tap it, create new save game. Again, you need to tap it. You need to press and hold. Yes, it's saved. That's it, friends. After saving the game, whenever you want to play, and you can continue with the load. Okay, tap load and you can see something is auto saved and something is manually saved. So this is the one we have saved it. So we can just start it again. Press and hold. Yes. So game is started. That's it. Now we can continue. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching.